let's be real, I low-key hate 90% of my clothes. So we're pretty much gonna be getting rid of everything. All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to. I like to. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me again. And if you are new here, hi, I'm MJ, and I make lifestyle and decor videos every single Sunday at 1 p.m. It is such a beautiful and bright day. As you can see from the title of the video, I am gonna be doing a closet clean out. And not just any clean out. I'm literally gonna be getting rid of majority of my clothes. Let's say 90%, because I really only wear 5%, and I'm keeping the other 5 because just in case I need to go somewhere or whatever. But I'm thinking of changing my wardrobe completely. It just doesn't represent me. It's not me. Plus, I'm really trying to get into this whole sustainable wardrobe, sustainable living, sustainable lifestyle, because save the planet and all that good stuff. But also fast fashion, all of that. I was doing a little research. It's not really good. It's not really good. It's not good at all. So but when I look at the price for the clothes that I like, it's pretty pricey, and I'm like, okay, everything that I like is over $100. So I'm thinking that, okay, I'm gonna go thrifting, because thrifting is getting secondhand stuff. So that is some way of that does contribute to like sustainability and stuff like that, because you're not getting newly made clothes. It's like reusing, recycling, all that stuff. So there's also going to be a video on that, so look out for that. But for now, let's just jump into this closet, honey. It's a mess. Okay, guys, this is my closet. Notice how everything is all clean, everything is all aesthetic, everything is looking great, nice and put together. But in reality, let's open her up. Oh. Let's go to the other side. Ooh. Freaking disaster. And I'm not even sure what I want to do. Honestly, I just want to get rid of most of them because I don't wear them. Look at this. This still has the tag on it, bro. This has a tag on it. This still has a tag on it. Haven't worn this at all. Like, what am I doing with my life? And I'm thinking of putting them on Depop. Yeah, let's jump into this mess. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you, love you. I like. So the closet is ugly but empty. The less pieces I have and the more memorable they are, meaning I'm more in love with them, then I'll remember them. When I have 1,000,001 random pieces that I just like bunched together, I don't remember them and I don't wear them. Oh my god, I'm so hot. It's so sweaty. Oh my goodness. But the closet is empty. Finally. Like, I don't even know where half of this stuff came from. Like, I don't even use any of this stuff. It's just so ridiculous. Consumption is ridiculous, and I swear this is the last time I'm gonna be having 1,000,001 stuff and don't even have any use for them. It literally is pointless and just clutter. It's so annoying because then you have to clean it out, and then it's just like a cycle, and I'm gonna be breaking the cycle with this video. This is it. I'm leaving my Disney ears in here, and I'm leaving these in here. I'm not gonna take them out. This is my key to the kingdom, magic kingdom or whatever. And then the rest of these, oh my god, sorry, the rest of these are like my 5K runs that I completed, my Goliath gauntlet finisher, just like different races and 5Ks that I did. So I'm pretty proud of that. But anyways, I'm leaving that in there. And let me show you what's going on. Brace yourself. Let me just show you what came out of my closet. It's ridiculous. Okay, first, boom, bam, bada, bada bing, bada boom, bada. Like, it's just so much stuff. Like, what? In one little tiny closet. Jesus. Okay, so now I'm just gonna be going through all the clothes that I don't want because, yeah. So I have this jeans and I wore it maybe like twice in the last 2 years. I don't know why I still have it. Next, I've got all these gym clothes, and honestly, I haven't been to the gym since last year. Like, I'm so over myself. Like, what the hell have I been doing? So I'm gonna get rid of majority of my gym clothes. I'm only gonna keep the few pieces. Anywho, I've got my jeans jacket, dirty as hell, but this is the only fully jean jacket that I got going on, like a denim jacket. So I'm definitely gonna keep this. Let's go through. This is just like a black leggings. I'm definitely keeping that because it's one of my favorite. This is another black legging with stripes at the bottom. I like this, so I'm gonna keep that also. What is this? Oh, this is just like a plain black tee, so I'm gonna keep that. Next, I have this exercise set. I think it's like it was one of my favorite Puma sets, but I don't wear it because it don't fit me no more. Well, it fits me, but doesn't fit as comfortably anymore. So I'm gonna get rid of this. I also have this big Puma jacket, sweatshirt situation. I'm gonna keep that because love her. I like to love you every day. Okay, so update. The chair is empty, but the floor is not. And I'm kind of mad at myself because how in the hell is this my keep pile? That's my keep pile. And then over here, that is my trash pile. What is going on with me? But like, how is that my trash pile? Look how small that is, and look at my keep pile. I think the fuck not. Like, I honestly need to get it together. I need to let it go. Why am I still holding on? Like, I don't know. I thought mentally I was ready to like get rid of stuff and just like, but clearly my subconscious does not, and that's a real situation right there. Like, you go in, you're like, yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff, but when you start to sort through, you're like, oh, I could wear this, I could wear that, but the reality is I am not wearing it. Like, why am I holding on? So I'm gonna go ahead and go through again and make this file smaller. I'd like to love you. I'd like to love you, if I may. I don't know if you can see what's going on right now. Look how messy my room is. Look at that. Look.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, so it is 5:10. I still have ways to go. I'm just like sorting out and like, you know, I just got some really bad news, so that's why my energy is kind of low. My friend, she and her boyfriend, they're about to put their cat down, and it's just very sad. So I feel bad for them, and I feel bad for the cat as well. But he's not doing well, and he seems to be suffering, and so they're on their way to the vet right now, and I just feel, because I have a cat, you know that, so it's also her cat as well, but Thor. And I don't know. I just kind of lost my mojo to So, a company that I am absolutely obsessed with, that I absolutely adore, reached out to me. Little old me. You know I'm already obsessed with home decor, and they are a very sustainable brand, which I am getting into. This company reached out to me. It's like it was meant to be. Room is still a mess, still a disaster. Can we just talk about this piece right here? She's a bodysuit or whatever. I bought this to wear on my birthday. I got this piece and I was like, okay, this piece is it. This is a birthday vibes. I'm gonna be popping or whatever. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, baby. I mean, it's been a hot second, so it's time to let it go, baby. What am I doing? But honestly, it still has the tag on it, bro. Still has the freaking tag. It's been in my closet, not hidden, just there, chilling, resting for 3 years. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a brand new day. I'm feeling energized because your girl is on her way. I'm pretty much always some truck. Can't even film. Dang. And we're back. Mr. Truck Guy left. Anyways, yes, so I was saying that I'm practically 90% done. My keep pile came down significantly and I'm feeling so proud. Okay, so here's what's going on. Besides the floor being an utter disaster, it actually looked worse last night. I just didn't show it. So what I did was I started putting stuff in garbage bags. Majority of this stuff I'm gonna chuck. The garbage bag with donations and stuff like that, that's already out in the hallway. So majority of this I'm gonna chuck except that, but everything else is gonna go in the trash. So I've got 1 garbage bag, 2 garbage bag, 3 garbage bag. There's another one underneath that, 4 garbage bag. And this is about, when I pack everything up, this is gonna be maybe 2 more garbage bags. So 6 garbage bags that I'm gonna be throwing away. And then I have like about 4 garbage bags of clothes. Then I have this pile right here that I'm gonna be giving to my sister. And then I have another pile for my Depop. I feel so proud. I feel so much lighter. I just feel good that I'm getting rid of all this clutter. So update, what I've got going on here is just more bags of clothes and stuff that I'm gonna throw out, like about 3 more bags. So that's a total of 7 garbage bags that I got rid of. Now over here in this, I've just got like these 4 baskets right here. This has my leggings. I have about 5 leggings. I've got about 4 pairs of jeans. Yeah, 4 jeans. So that, which I had 25 pairs of jeans before, so now that's down to 4. So I'm very proud of that. And then this just contains like all the clothes that I wear in the house, which is not much. These go together. Like these are the pants. I have about 6 pants right here, and about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops right here, just to wear in the house. And then these are like my bed sheets, and then this is gonna store like all my towels. They're currently all dirty, so I only have 1 in there right now. I'm gonna be doing laundry, so there's that. Floor is clean, everything is clean. Now let's talk about what's in here. In the first drawer right there, PJs. In the second drawer, just PJ tops, PJ bottoms. I just separated them. And then down there, it has like my scarves and stuff like that. In here, I have bras, underwears, bathing suits. And then over here, that stuff, that's just my big, like, what do you call those things? I'm going to be knitting a blanket, so I put that over there. But these are like all my Depop stuff. I'm actually going to do a separate video for that so you guys can see what all the clothes look like in here. They're all brand new, still got the tags on them, so yeah. But this is what I have left in terms of my clothes. Now, as for future wise, when it comes to getting clothes, I'm thinking of jumping into sustainability. I'm gonna be thrifting a lot of my pieces and stuff like that. So that's what's gonna be happening with my wardrobe in the future. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Click on any one of these 2 videos right here, and I will see you next week Sunday at 1 p.m. for another one. Bye, guys.